Jai Developers. He's a great batsman actually. Along with him is Tarun, I guess. Tarun and Dr. Namit. Dr. Namit can pull the ball long. I mean, sure, he's a great player, I'm telling you. Mr. Budwani, welcome. We're missing you since morning actually. Mr. Panjwani is also there. जॾहिं पंज वाणी वरिया तॾहिं पंजवानी में थिया Yes, so we are going to start a fresh new game. Second game continuously played by J Developers. It's awesome as a team actually. They are heading towards the third place. Owners look quite settled actually. It's a white ball. Oh, I think Bharat has Ketan Mirani. He's a fantastic bowler. I'm saying you, Ketan. Ketan Mirani, a fantastic bowler actually. First ball and a white ball from him. Yes, Nimit Devani and Tarun Khatri have opened the innings. Oh, ball is bowled him! What a ball, Ketan! You are awesome bowler! Ketan is turning the tables. So, Jai Developers.
हमेशा लगंदा रहंदा नारा जो तिन वारे लाल जा जय जिंदा झूलेलाल साईं जय जिंदा.
So Jai Developer has been put under pressure and they are very much capable of handling the pressure. Ishan today has not opened the inning because yesterday he was tired. He went to Vani Devi for puja. Yesterday night he came late. Mr. Ravi is there. Ravi Kukreja. He used to do modeling in Pune and now he's back to Nasik. Yes, next ball again from Ketan. Great bat. Oh, Neeraj is there on strike. Oh my god. He's a fantastic player. He's an awesome player actually. Target of around 80. Target around 80 will be a good target actually. Yes, Ketan again will bowl to Tarun now. Shot Tarun, he's an awesome player, I'm telling you. Great shot from Tarun. At least, oh my god, it's a boundary, slight misfield. So now, the Silsila boundary starts now. Mr. Jairam Chawla, he is there. He is a great driver of he drives scooter since 1965. Till date he is driving scooter. जितनी चाबी भरी राम ने उतना चले खिलौना अरे रोते. Yes, again Tarun will face Ketan. He's an awesome bowler, Ketan. He will definitely come back, I'm sure. Good shot from Tarun. At least single. Good fielding actually from the fielder. Score is 7 now in 4 balls. पान देख के 20 मिनट हो गए मैंने फोन किया दुकानदार पे. Great shot. Will it be a boundary? Surely a boundary. Yes. Tarun is on. No, Neeraj is on fire. Score is 12 now in 5 balls. 4 balls, sorry. Awesome batting from the wicket which was fallen on the very first ball. I was under pressure कि Jay Delapus will be in some pressure, but actually they are opening up more. Neeraj 2 ball 5. Oh my god, it's a misfield actually. It's a misfield actually. They'll take 2. Yes, it is 14 now. Last ball to be bowled, score is 14 now. Yes. Single again. Neeraj will take strike again with him. Score is 15 in first over. Actually, a good over for Jay Developers. If they go with this run rate, 15 needs are 120. I think 100 will be more than sufficient for the team. But Ketan will definitely come back. He's a great bowler, I'm saying you. Yes, score is 15. Score is 15 now. Second over to begin actually. Great ball. He is Bharat Sadhwani, bowling from Julila Land. Great bowling. He is a great bowler actually. Suri Matkarduri. Suri is a very good. Oh. Yes, good shot. Neeraj, definitely a boundary, classy batsman. Neeraj, score is 19, 1.2. See, this is the difference of a classic player and a non-classic player. Neeraj played the first ball. He saw it is not a good. It was a good ball from bowler, so he defended. He respected the ball, but when it's a loose ball, he will punish the ball. Definitely, the great player. I'm saying you. 19 now in 1.2. Again, a good shot. Will they get 2? No, only a single. No need to take any risk actually. We have more 6 overs to go. Yes, score is 20 now in 1.3. Yes, 20 now in 9 balls. Awesome batting, you guys. Good shot from Tarun. He's a great form of his life. Definitely a good fielding actually by the fielder Ketan there, I guess. 22 now in 10 balls. If Tarun goes, Tarun will keep on going. He's a great player actually. Tarun Khatri. 23 now. Good shot from Tarun. Oh, good fielding actually by the fielder 20. 23 now actually. It was 22 first, now 23. Now this score is perfect actually. Yes, scorer, you are right. Oh, good ball and good comeback from Bharat Sadhwani. Over ends. Power play finishes. Score is 23 now. Twenty-four now. Good shot from Tarun. Surely a boundary. He slapped the ball actually. Oh my God! What is that? Good fielding here, guy. कौन है ये? Awesome fielding, you boy यार. Good bowling. Good shot. It's a boundary now. Score balloon 30. Will this be a catch? Oh my God, Tarun is on fire actually. What a batting from Tarun. Again a boundary. Yes, it's an announcement from Vicky. Anybody scoring 50 runs? बॉल दे बेटा बॉल निकल पुराना बॉल दे पुराना फेंक ना फेंक ना पुराना तेरा फायदा ना Yes, score is 38 now. So there's an announcement from Vicky Lalwani. Anybody scoring 50 plus will be gifted a prize of 2,100 rupees. 21 का prize for scoring 50. Nothing for quarter. 2 quarters if you want.
And we want Suri.
Score is 38 now. Tarun on 22. 8 balls. 4 boundaries from Tarun. He is playing on run rate of 275. 2.75 per ball. Awesome batting Tarun. Class player. Thank you, Suri. 38. Fifth ball to be bowled by Harsh Lakhwan. Is a great bowler actually here. Harsh. Great ball. Good comeback from Bharat actually. Oh, they are asking for caught behind, but umpires are smart enough to manage anything. They are brought to you by, they are coming from Australia all the way. They fly back every night. They come back by flight again tomorrow. Tonight they will stay here actually. थक गए वो लोग. 38 now. Awesome shot. Will this be at least 2 runs? Definitely yes. Slight misfield. They will go for 2. Neeraj is fast in running. Tarun is slower, but Tarun will cover the ground. Score is 40 now. I guess over is finished. Yeah, 40 in 3 overs. So it was expensive over from Harsh. 17 runs from his first over. Sushil Amesar is a fantastic bowler, I'm telling you. He will bring his back. But Neeraj is awesome batsman. Now the battle between a good bowler and a good batsman. Let's see who wins. Sushil setting the field now. Neeraj Nandwani. He is on 24. Oh, he's on 13 of 8 balls. Require 37 more runs to get his 50. In this over, he can do it. 6 sixes. Lovely and sensible batting from Neeraj. They'll get. Oh, Tarun says no. Tarun wants strike actually. 41 now in 3.1. 24. Tarun is on 24 of 10 balls. Next ball from Sushil Bhai. Great batting and a great bowling and maybe a catch. No. It's the bonds. They will take only a single to 2. If you want a team to grow step by step, you have to run hard actually. Convert 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4. 4 cannot be 5. 4 cannot be 5. 42 now. 3.2. Good bowling from Sushil Bhai. Yeah, Neeraj is there. Awesome bat from Neeraj. Surely a boundary. Definitely no ball stops there, but it will cross the boundary. 46 now. He is on 18. We are getting a message from Sadhu Aswani group. They will be coming for final, I guess.
Phone
46 now.
पे दे इतना आया इतना आया अरे करो ना हमको भी तो वही चाहिए जेट
46 now. 3.3. Good batting from Neeraj. Sushil by under pressure now. Shot again. Definitely 2. Definite 2. Tarun will go for it. Yes, they will. Surely they should go actually. 48 now. Sushil Bhai under pressure. Actually now. 48 in 3.4. Neeraj Nandwan is on 20. Dun, dun, they are there. I guess there will be 250s here from Neeraj and Tarun. If they play till the end actually, they are capable of making 50s they quite easily actually. Oh, good ball actually. Hello. 49 in 4 overs. Great going actually. They are targeting 100, at least 100, which is quite good score. Something happened there. Sushil Amish sir bowled a first over. Only a boundary and 5 singles. Total 9 runs of his over actually. Good over by Sushil Bhai. Score is 49 now. Beta Bhairun, Bhairun beta. Bhairun. पड़ा पड़ा टंग 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 थैंक यू अच्छा आराम से बेटा आराम से छोटी पहले आगे ऐश्वर्या यश इज गोइंग इनसाइड हैज अ मैसेज फॉर द प्लेयर्स ना So runner allowed for Neeraj Bhai. Oh, sorry, Tarun Bhai. Tarun is not able to run because yesterday night he was out with family for a trip of Vaishnu Vani Devi. Went for the Vani Devi darshan. So 49. Ishan today sitting quietly praying to Vani Devi. Don't worry, your team deserves to be the best team actually. The team is doing good actually, I am saying. Yes, next bowler. Shabashi. 49 now. 4 overs gone. Neeraj will take strike. 13 ball, 21 Neeraj. Oh my god. Good ball actually. Mehul Amish sir, he's a great bowler actually. A left arm bowler. Young boy. I guess he is 16 plus 1, 17 plus 2, 19. Yes, he is 19. He is 19 age, I guess. 4.1, 49 now. Neeraj facing Mehul. Oh, sorry, Mehul, yes. Good shot. Single, definitely. They will get two, easily two. Surely two. Yes, is a good runner actually. That's a boundary, misfield and a boundary. Score moves on to 53. This is called pressure. This is called a good batting from Neeraj and Tarun. Yash, anyways, of fresh legs actually. He's a great batsman too. He's taken a leave from HDFC Bank. People were searching him. Bank came here to search him, but he didn't go back. This is the spirit of SPL 5 by Yash. 53 now. In 4.2, Yash, people are calling you. HDFC Bank are calling you. No, you're on leave. Okay.
लो
53 in 4.2. Again, Neeraj facing. Neeraj is on 25 now. Oh my god. Great bowling, Mehul. Awesome bowling by you. Great comeback actually. 54 now. 54, fifth over in progress. More 3 balls to go. I guess 100 is achievable. If they both are there on the crease, 100 will be surely crossed by them. It's a good batting unit. This Jed Elvers team. They were sold for 1,60,000 points. Oh my god, good bowling, Mehul. Awesome bowling. Good comeback by you. 55 now, 2 balls to go. Neeraj will be targeting surely a boundary or 2 in this over. 55 plus 12, 67 will be the target he will be looking for actually. But I guess 65 will be enough actually. 6 and 4. 55 now in 4.4 overs. Good shot from Neeraj. Definitely a single. They will get 2, surely 2. Good running there by Yash and Neeraj. 57 now. It's really difficult to hit the ball for long. But this is sensible batting actually from Neeraj, taking doubles on every ball, which gives you 12 runs in an over. After 5 overs, score is supposed to 60. Run rate will be 12. 57 now. Additional fielder brought there actually. Sensible decision by the Mehul, the bowler. Again, Neeraj will face Mehul. Slapped him, and that's a sharp boundary. He's an awesome player. Score is 61 now. He is on 32. He has overtaken Tarun, but Tarun will have the next over to play. Can they both get 50? He is on 32 of 18 balls. Awesome batting from Neeraj. Score is 62 now. Sorry? Huh? क्या? No ball. Oh my God! So no balls. No ball. I'm free. Trrr, trrr, trrr. एम्पायर चेंज करिए. 4.5 दिख रहा है. 4.4 करिए उसको बॉल को. 2 balls to go एम्पायर. 2 balls to go. Thank you. 62 now. Yes. Last ball. Okay. Okay. 62. Sorry. We are human beings. We can make mistakes. Surely. Good shot there from Neeraj again. Definitely 2 here. Definitely 2. What boundary! What a great shot from Neeraj. He moves on to 36 now. Score is 66. I told you 65. It's 66 actually. $66 now in 5 overs. Now Tarun will try to play full over actually, like Neeraj did actually. They decided we will not run, we will just hit the ball. But Sushil Amesar is back. He's a great bowler actually. So Tarun will face him first time actually. Score is 66 now. 6th over in progress now. 6th over to begin actually. 66 now in 5 overs. Sushil Bhai to Tarun. Great bowling. Awesome ball from Sushil. Pacey ball. Is he okay? Tarun, are you okay? Any first aid? No. Tarun is strong boy. He drinks Bormita daily and Horlicks at night. Haldi ka doodh in dophar. 67 now. Awesome bowling, Sushil Bhai. Great bowling. Good comeback. 67 now. 6th over in progress. Good shot from Neeraj. Will it be a 6? No. Oh, it's a single. They get 2 at least 2. Yes. Score moves on to 69 now. They may get 3rd, but they won't take risk. 69 in 5.2. Neeraj on 38 now. 38 of 20 balls. Neeraj awesome batting. One shot actually. 68 now. One shot. 68. Good scoring by the umpires and well disciplined umpireship by both the umpires actually. Good shot. Will this be a 6? Yes. Oh, boundary. I guess 4. 6. It's a 6. Wow.
हमेशा लगंदा रहंदा नारा जो तिन वारे लाल जा जय जिंदा झूलेलाल साईं जय जिंदा झूलेलाल
Thank you. 74 now. Neeraj is on 43. Actually, Neeraj is on fire. Neeraj is on fire. Awesome batting. Sushil lost the run up actually. Sushil first time under pressure in this series. But he will come back, surely come back. 5.3, 74. More 15 balls to go actually. What shot on the it's again boundary. Neeraj is raining runs. 78. Now he's on 47. Neeraj, awesome batting, Neeraj. Great batting. Karan here. Karan is practicing since morning. He looks tired today. Karan. 78. 2 balls to go from Sushil Bhai. Oh, it was a catch, but it's drop and it's a boundary again, I guess. Yes, it's 50 up for Neeraj. Awesome batting, Neeraj. Well played, Neeraj. Awesome batting. You deserve to the best player actually, best batsman till now. Wow, great batting, Neeraj. Score is 82 now. Last ball of sixth over. Niket Gurnani is a great player actually. Oh, he missed the ball, but single is always on. It's a bye, I guess. क्या हुआ करण? कभी? कल लगा? 83 now in 6 overs. First 50 up coming by Neeraj Nandwani in this match of 24 balls, 8 fours and a 6. 38 runs he scored in 9 balls. Awesome, you boy. You're a great player, Neeraj bhai. Are you looking for century now? No. Please don't do that. 83 now. What a good score. Run rate of 13.83. Yes. Projected score is 111. Yes. Next bowler is good shot from Neeraj. Definite 2. They won't get 2, but they will get 2. Yes, they are running. Awesome running by Yash Jagesa. HDFC men. 85 now. Thank you. Single again. Again they get 2. Oh my god, awesome running. 87 now. 6.2, 87. Ten balls to go. 87 now. Good shot from Neeraj. Definite 2. Good fielding. Yes. It's a chance of run out. No. Good running from Neeraj. Well judged run actually. Neeraj knows how the ball will come. How the will come. 89. 9 balls to go now. He's on 58 of 27 balls. Awesome batting by Neeraj. Always hungry for batting, but great batsman he is, I'm telling you. Ketan Mirani is a fantastic bowler. Good shot. Oh, catch! Yes, he owed trophy actually. They get 2 runs. It's really difficult to field over in there. This ground is well known for topping catches. 91 now. 91 now of 40 balls. Awesome batting. Yes. One shot again. 90. Neeraj in a hurry to get runs. 90 now and 6.4. Will be a catch. Definitely yes. They will take it. It was a no ball actually. You cannot take a wicket on this. 91 now. Last ball to be bowled by Chetan. It is 92. 92. Good shot from Tarun. His boundary, surely boundary. Six, I guess six.
नारा जो दिन वारे लाल जा
It's a boundary, 4 runs from Tarun. 4. It's a boundary. Tarun on 29. Tarun wants 21 runs in last 7 balls. Can he do it for his team? Tan. Ball. 96 now. 7th overs, last ball now. Tarun. Will he get 50? Tarun, I'm sure he can get, but he needs strike. Neeraj is tired, I guess. Neeraj is tired. Well played, you guys. Now this team has make a habit of making 100 every match. I'm sorry, they are proving themselves very risky for all the teams. Good shot again from Tarun. Oh, again a boundary. It's 100 up for Sindhi champions, Jai Developers. 100 up. What a batting from Tarun. Awesome batting from Tarun. He's on 33 of 15 balls. All 4 quarters up now. All 4 quarters up. Awesome batting by both the players. I'm really great to watch in Neeraj and Tarun. Superb batting actually. 100 up for in 7 overs. Run rate of 14.29. The head coach, Mr. Piyush, is happy. Not happy. He is extremely happy. Enjoying his moments of life. खटे कोई भी खटन दो सिंधी. Suri is not bowling today. Suri is not bowling today because yesterday he bowled a lot. Hundred in 7 overs. Oh my God! Awesome batting, you guys. Awesome batting. Neeraj still there. They have a great bowling attack. जुगल, इसका नाम क्या लंबे का? Hitesh Bhatia is there. Jugal is there. They have a good bowling attack actually. These guys, Jai Developers. Great formation of team by Sunil Bhai. Awesome ball. Good comeback. I think Sani. This is Sadhwani. Bharat Sadhwani. Yes. He's awesome ball, I'm telling you. His age is 16 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1, 24. 23, sorry. सिंधी साई ग्रुप का मैसेज आ गया है. 5 balls to go. Neeraj on strike. Good shot. Definitely a single. They won't come for 2, but Neeraj is excellent running from Neeraj and 102 now. Last 4 balls to go. 4 balls to go. Score is 102 now. Neeraj. Awesome shot. Definitely 6. Definitely 6. Oh my God. He's a great batsman.
नारा जो दिन वारे लाल जा जय जिंदा झूलेलाल साईं जय जिंदा झूलेलाल साईं जय जिंदा हमेशा लगंदा रहंदा नारा जो दिन वारे लाल जा.
I think Neeraj can get across his old highest score of his team, 124, 17 recorded in 3 balls. Come on, Neeraj. We are updating you everything because expectations are from a player who can do it and you can prove it. Again, Neeraj will face Bharat Sadhwani. He's a great bowler actually. Surely a boundary. No, they'll take 2. No, only single. Tarun will take the strike now, 109. So I don't think the score will cross 124. 109 is also enough actually. No पेट रखो यार, वडो पेट छा करना थी. 109. Now 2 balls to go. Bharat Sadhwani. Tarun will face him. Tan, tan. The fight is on. Good shot from Tarun. Definitely boundary. Classy player. He looks for gaps surely, and he plays awesome batting from Tarun. 113 now. Last ball to be bowled now.
ये एक आई ना पीएसपी आई ना बस ना आने गणे ना टोकला है
नहीं एक साठ
तो आपने छोड़ा नहीं ना
113 now. Last ball. Oh, definitely boundary. Surely boundary. Yes, good fielding actually from Suri. 2. They come for 3. Yash is coming for 3. 116 now. 117 is the target to win now. 117. Definitely, I guess Neeraj and Tarun should rest actually. And rest should ball.
सब रेस्ट ही करेंगे
Great running by Yash.
नर्स जलाए पे ड्रॉप
Music.
नारा जो दिन वारे लाल जा जय जिंदा झूलेलाल साईं जय जिंदा झूलेलाल साईं जय जिंदा हमेशा लगंदा रहंदा नारा जो दिन वारे लाल जा जय जिंदा झूलेलाल साईं जय जिंदा झूलेलाल साईं जय जिंदा
Good batting. Good game of display from Neeraj and Tarun. Tarun was not out on 40. Neeraj on 69 of 33 balls. Oh my God. उठा ले भगवान.
8 4 नहीं अभी रन रेट का कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता
Empires will do their makeup now.
लाली लिपस्टिक
Target is 117 now. Thank you, Mr. Valley, for cooperating us for this today series happening here. Mr. Valley, thank you very much.
और
Yes, may I request Jai Developers team to set the field. Sunil bhai, please. Rakesh bhai, please set the field. Thank you. Special bowler is being called from Pune, Mr. Amish sir. Kunal Amish sir. I am sure he is hungry for taking the trophies. He has taken 3 trophies in 4 matches. He's awesome bowler. Good bowling, Kunal bhai. Bhatia, you're out. Hitesh bhai Bhatia, not playing. Going na. Oh, water. You want water? Neera, neera. Neera, neera. Neera, idda karle. Kidle, neera, gille, kille, neera.
वाटर या क्वार्टर
Yes, 117 required in 8 overs, 48 balls. That means a run rate of 14.5. That means per ball 2.5 runs. Oh my God. Huge, huge target. Yes, you are going field. Oh my God. Oh, so lucky legs. Yes. Captain of Kada is there in Shivananda. I think nobody is interested in playing the matches there because they know we are out. Tan, tan.
तीसरी भी हम लोग खेल लेंगे लगे
I can't see Sunil Bhai. Sunil Bhai is there. Sunil Dandwani is there.
येलो कैप
Yellow cap. Okay, he's there. Captain Sunil Dandwani. Cool, cool. He is really speaking actually. This team has been always cooperative to the committee. Great thanks to you, this team. Thank you, Jai Developers. Thank you, your team. They are always cooperative.
वही है ना कतार दीजिए ना इसके मेंबर नहीं आए ना इसके लिए इनका मेंबर का घटन ना तो इनका कतार सिंह से कर दो हां कतार सिंह थोड़े
117 required. Kartar. Hey, yes. Amit sir will start. Suri there. Oh my God. Good shot. It's a boundary. Good shot by Pares. He's a good batsman. This is a fantastic gap. Awesome, awesome. Pares won't give it easy. Suri won't give it easy. Yeah. Continue, 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 please. DJ. It was by empire. By, okay. By, what a pacey ball from you, sir. Class bowling, Kunal bhai. Awesome bowling. He bowls at 138. Second ball from Kunal. Good shot from Pares, a great batsman. Definite two. Suri will go for it. Yes, Suri. No, what a great fielding. Rakesh Karamchandani is a great fielder. Rakesh. Score is 5 now in 2 balls. Awesome, awesome fielding there by Rakesh. Kunal again. Good ball and back to the bowler. No need to throw the balls. Kunal bhai, you have to be cool. Super cool actually. Score is 5 now in 3 balls. Score is 5 now. Good shot from Suri. Definitely a boundary. No. Rakesh covers the ground. Awesome fielding there by Rakesh. A great fielder. Good throw by Rakesh. Score is 7 now. So they have now given up the match. Suri will try till the end. And we have Chirag here. The only Chirag of Hirasit. He was a lucky boy to get a honeymoon package from his mama in Raju Set. Hajja Baju. Kidhar hai Raju? Yeah, Kunal. Good ball, good comeback by Kunal. Awesome bowling, good keeping by Ishan. Score is 7 of 5 balls. Great bowling from Suri is on 2 of 3 balls. Yes, single only. 8 now in first over. Good over. Oh my god. Kunal is attentive. Wow. Score is 8 of first end of first over. And first time Kunal is wicketless actually. First time it happened like he's wicketless. So it's Tarun. Wow. Tarun is the opening batsman and the opening bowler. What a great player he is. Score is 8 of first over. More 109 to get in 42 balls. Tarun Khatriya Pesi, bowler, opening batsman, opening bowler. He's a great performer actually. Great shot from Suri. Definitely Rakesh doing a good fielding actually. Superb fielding from Rakesh. Just a single. Good field set by Sunil Dandwani. He's a captain actually. Good field set. Straight into the hands of Rakesh. Rakesh is covering the ball very nicely. Score is 9 after 7 balls. Tarun again. Good ball from Tarun. Good ball from Tarun. So it's 9 now in 1.2. Oh my god. It's a great ball. Good comeback by Tarun. Just a single of Tarun's 3 balls. Good bowling, Tarun. Score is 9. Only 9 in 9 balls. Suri and Pares. They are good batsmen actually. Pares is a classy batsman. Pares. Tidnani. Score is 9, 1.3. Fourth ball to be bowled by Tarun. Some fielding changes by Tarun. Great bowling from again Tarun. Taps the ball back to Tarun. Tarun fields the ball. Score is only 9 now. Wow. Great bowling. Oh, yes. Lovely bowling from Tarun. Score stands still 9. Second over to finish now. Power play. Good shot from Pares. He was trying for it since last 3 balls, but definitely succeeded now. Score is 13 of 2 overs. Yes, yes, it's Shankar. Shankar Valecha. One of my favorites bowler actually. Score is 13. Shankar now to ball. First ball of his over. Sori. Will it be a catch? No, Mehul will not catch. Oh my, he dropped the catch. Caught and bowled chance. But bad luck to Shankar Bhaiya. Score is 14 now. Pares is a great striker. He will definitely show his skill. 14 now. Good shot from Pares. Definite two. Definite two. Yeah, that's a single there. Good fielding by the fielder. 15 now. Third ball from Shankar Bhaiya. Good shot. Will this be a catch? Yes. First wicket taken by Shankar Bhaiya is a great bowler. He takes the revenge and a first wicket fallen for Phantoms. Oh, very difficult actually. Oh my god. Pares will have no Pares is there. Shankar Bhaiya 2 wickets. Oh my god. Fantastic, huh? Shankar Bhaiya, the youngest player of the team. Shankar Valecha. Awesome bowling, Shankar Bhaiya. Great bowling, yaar. Welcome, Kunal Manwani. You are there? Your match is that. अभी है क्या इसके बाद? Okay. हमारे को कमेंटेटर हीरा जी नाश्ता पानी करके नहा धो के फर्स्ट क्लास आ रहे हैं। यहाँ पे शर्टिन है फर्स्ट क्लास टिप टॉप। ये इसलिए आ रहा है क्योंकि इनके बच्चे की मैच है चिराग की, उनका एक ही चिराग है, बहुत ही बेहतरीन खेलते हैं चिराग भाई। इनको इनके बताऊंगा मैं, चिराग इतने अच्छे बैट्समैन है कि उनको एक पैकेज दिया गया है, हनीमून पैकेज। इट्स अ ग्रेट बाउंड्री। Score is 19 plus 15 plus 4, 19 actually. 3.3 balls. लक्ष्य बहुत दूर। Can I see bowling my favorite bowler नीरज भाई, एक और तो आप, एक और हमको दिखना है आपका। पब्लिक डिमांड। You can see thousands of people coming in the ground just to see Chirag's match. All are fans of Chirag. Chirag is in demand. कौन है ये? हाँ, yes, white ball actually.
पाउडर तो जमाने का ही है वो कम करने का। अरे नहीं अपन ने बॉम्बे से लेके आए थे पैकेट नारियल पानी वाले, उसके बाद में बॉटल लेके आए थे नारियल पानी।
Shankar Bhaiya teasing the field runner actually. Shankar Bhaiya looks calm today. Shankar Bhaiya has taken 2 wickets in his first over. He gave only 2 runs. Awesome bowling, Shankar Bhaiya. Great shot, Paresh. But Raka will never leave catches because he is told by the owner catches win matches, and if we win matches, we will always be with you. Awesome, awesome catching, awesome fielding by Jay Developers. Jay Developers have the slogan, they don't leave a single space. If they get say half, they use a 0.75. If they get 0.75, they use 1. This is the way they take advantage of players in the same way. If this player is playing good, they'll make him play very good. This is the quality of the owners, and especially their head coach, Mr. Piyush.
हाँ गेंद कड़ी रखा है, गेंद कड़ी रखा है, दे दे ना गेंद बनने देने दिया दिया।
हेलो हेलो। एक
So Mr. Hira has bought Naril Pani for all. Yes, good running now. I think basic. Oh, again Shankar Bhaiya. So if Shankar Bhaiya takes 2 more wickets, Vicky will be happy. More happy, actually happy to hai. Yes, 24 now in 4.2. What again this was. Awesome bowling, Shankar Bhai. Great bowling. 4.3, 24. Shankar Bhaiya 2 more wickets and a prize of 2100 to you. 2100 prize, cash prize to buy if you take 2 more wickets, Shankar Bhai. Come on. Great shot. Yes, they will get at least one. Kunal is a bit tired, I think. He bowled a great over actually. From children? Great. 25 first quarter half for Phantoms. Oh, GKB. 4.4, 26. Shankar Bhai again. Ah, great ball. What a ball. Awesome bowling. 27 now. They require more 50, 90 runs to get in 19 balls. Not possible. Not possible. 30 runs in an over. Oh my God. Shankar Bhai again will bowl the last ball. Great shot. Good cut by the player, but at least two. Yes. Yellow cap is Raka. No, Raka is there on the boundary. It's Dandwan himself. Yeah. So we have special guest here. Our jockey is in the center and he's taking the clips. He's a drone. Good bowling by Shankar Bhai. Great bowling by you. Awesome. On covered Shankar Bhaiya. Yes, now Neeraj Bhai is a great all-rounder. Neeraj. Today Ishan was brought here and he was tired. He had went to Vani Devi last night to pray for his team. Along with him, Sunil had gone. Dandwani, the captain. Score is 30. Oh, Scott and bowlers! He dropped the catch actually. Neeraj Bhai taking lightly. 31 now. सबका ध्यान ध्यान तो चला गेम पे अलाइन पे जाओ तो गेम Ah, good shot. Shankar Bhai will take. Oh, well try Shankar Bhai. Hard luck actually. I will take 2 runs. They can't take 2 because fielder is great. Harsh Telani, he was the batsman yesterday for 11. Again, hello. Yes, good ball angle. Drop the catch actually. Ishan Bhai. Good ball. 29 for 3. Hitesh Bhatia will bowl the 7th over, I guess. 6th. 7th over, yeah. Just 2 overs to be bowled now. And I guess 3rd place will be taken by Jet Developers as the way they are playing. Still, they have one more match to go. It's 14 more to get for 50 actually for Suri's team. Phantoms. Oh, GKB, sorry. GKB, not Phantoms. GKB. Great shot, yes! But Rakesh throws 6! Great shot! 3 or 6 Empress? I guess.
जय जिंदा जय जिंदा झूलेलाल साईं जय
4, 4, 4.
जय जिंदा जय जिंदा झूलेलाल साईं जय जिंदा हमेशा लगंदा
Okay, can we take a toss between Kadas and Shivananda? Shivananda? Captain, Kunal? Kunal, captain? कौन आ रहा है टॉस को? Yes, may I call upon Mr. Lalwani for toss? Yes, off it. Yes, Kunal, the acting captain today. He's an awesome player, but he is not in a nick actually, not in form this year. Yes, who is calling? You or he? यहाँ पे इधर कुनाल कुनाल इधर इधर कुनाल यहाँ जाना बेटा. Yes, विजू भाई आप बोलो चलो मनु भाई. So the call is heads, and we flip the coin, and it's heads. Oh my God, it's tails. It's tails. नहीं, toss won by शिवानंदास. They decided to decide. मैं तो बोलूँगा थकाओ जरा इन बुड्ढों को जरा आज. थकाओ बहुत हो गया. बहुत. We have long time to go. And Vicky, you will see good entertaining match. I'm telling you, they are good fielders. I know. Yes. Come on, Chirag. Bat or ball? Bat. Oh, I love you. I love you, Chirag. 8 overs, 6 overs, Chirag. 10 overs. 10 overs. 10 overs. बाई दे दिया. जितनी चाबी भरी राम ने. बैटिंग बैटिंग बैटिंग. अरे ये बार देखो बाकी आपकी टीम में ये बार Yes, only 4 minutes left now. Piyush looks settled now. The head coach. He had a different plans actually. He had a bowling decided for all the bowlers. Batsmen decided, but everything went so well. Yes, Mr. Hira will lead the team today of Kada 11. Mr. Hira तो हमारे जीजा जी है राजू के, वो लीड करेंगे आज टीम को और फील्डिंग लगाएंगे पहले. इसके बाद हीरा जी आप प्लीज फील्डिंग. यहाँ ये पहली मैच होगी करण. फादर वर्सेस सन. फादर वर्सेस सन. नाम क्या? श्रीजल. वी हैव अ फ्री सैम्पलिंग डन बाय श्रीजल. कोकोनट Srijal water, coconut water. Yes. So can we have some glasses on the stage, please? For 4-5 glass stage पे please हमारे लिए. Thank you.
हेलो 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 हेलो. आपके लिए कोकोनट वाटर का यहाँ पे बंदोबस्त किया गया है प्लेयर्स के लिए. मेरे राइट साइड में कोकोनट वाटर की फ्री सैंपलिंग चल रही है. श्रीजल कोकोनट वाटर, प्लीज आप उसका आनंद उठाइए. श्रीजल कोकोनट वाटर स्टार्ट हो गया है, प्लीज.
हेलो हेलो Yes, may I request Neeraj Bhai, man of the match, Tarun, best batsman, and as usual, my favorite bowler, Shankar Bhaiya,